Hi friends, welcome. This is Sim Gifty, and if you're new, please make sure you click the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. Today we're doing something a little bit different but educational as well. What type of a learner are you? We are putting that to the test. We have three types of learners that I know. We have the kinesthetic learner, the visual learner, and the auditory learner. This test is made for those who are not sure whether they are visual, kinesthetic, or auditory learners, but this is a visual test. So make sure that you understand the rules of this test, and what we need to do before going further is ask ourselves, what is a visual learner? How do visual learners learn? So what is a visual learner? A visual learner is a learner who understands better by sight. What do we mean by that? They can memorize easily by seeing pictures or objects. So we are putting that to the test. Are you a visual learner? Let's find out by these pictures. You're probably wondering, how the heck am I going to complete this challenge? Well, I'm here for you. So what you're going to do, I'm going to give you 10 pictures and I'm going to give you 5 words. We're going to start with the words, then followed by the pictures. So you have to note down how many you can remember. Now friends, let's get to the challenge. Well, these are the words: hazard, sequence, habitat, cup, book. How many did you remember out of 5? Now let's go to the second challenge, which is pictures. These are the pictures that were presented to you. Now the challenge is, how many can you remember? Let's see. Which one did you see in these pictures? Now it is safe to ask, out of 10, how many do you remember? If you remember 6 to 10, congratulations, you're mostly a visual learner. It is time for you to draw those mind maps as you study, and it is time for you to rely on those pictures as you study and use those color pens as you study, and you will see an improvement in your marks. Congratulations for getting this far in this video. Thank you for watching. I am Sim Gifty, and again, thank you for taking the visual test. Congratulations to those who are visual learners. An auditory test is coming and a kinesthetic test is also coming. And thank you so much again for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button if you enjoyed.